Introducing 2 rows for RhinoArtisan. Use the gumballs to easily adjust the gemstone path along the shank while controlling its width and height with a simple drag. Choose the opening that best fits your design, closed, open, or pinch, and instantly change the overall look of your shank. Control gemstone distribution with full, side, or top layouts, giving you the freedom to place stones exactly where you need them. Shape the shank profile using the curve selector. Any overlapping stones are highlighted in red, making them easy to identify and adjust before moving forward. Choose 1 or 2 gemstone rows, add your prongs, and fine-tune the ending with 1 or 2 prongs for greater control and precision. Every change updates in real time, so you can see exactly how your design evolves as you work. Customize your knife-edge shank with confidence, knowing your gemstones are properly spaced and collision-free. Add the cutters for production, and your design is ready. 2 rows. Complete control from concept to production.